urgent need to wake up all the political and traditional leaders in Yoruba land to the reality of the negative effect of disunity among them on members of the younger generation. We find the disunity and lack of integration among the Yoruba people disturbing. Yoruba people used to be at the forefront of development in Nigeria, but it is sad that some of our leaders have now brought our race backward. Politics and ego have torn them apart, leading to a situation whereby nobody is now providing purposeful and productive leadership to those of us who belongs to the younger generation. It was not like this in the days of the late Chief Obafemi Awolowo, whose leadership remains a reference point in the history of Yoruba race and of course in Nigeria. We need a purposeful leadership. But since the death of Papa Obafemi Awolowo, the Yoruba people, especially the youth, have been living like a herd of sheep without a shepherd. Nobody is providing leadership for us anymore. We wonder why it takes so long to fill the vacuums that the late Yoruba leader left behind. This is yet another time since the death of Papa Awolowo that all the Yoruba leaders and of course all our people must come together to positively rewrite the history of our race. Providence has raised another leaders for our race, but it is unfortunately that some of our people, out of ego and envy and hatred, felt reluctant to accept the verdict of fate. It is our view that Asiwaju Bola Tinubu has been prepared by products for the leadership of the Yoruba race. Asiwaju Bola is qualified not only to fill the leadership vacancies in the Yoruba land, but also in Nigeria at large. Our opinion is based on his notable antecedent, political sagacity, administrative acumen, patriotism, philanthropy, and human capital building capacity. Asiwaju Bola is noted for preparing a better future for the younger generation of the Yoruba. His uncommon contribution to democracy and his talent for discovering the best among the younger generation of our people and preparing them for leadership. It is important to note here that some of the people he discovered are now playing important leadership roles in the country and other places in the world. It is our belief that this is the time all Yoruba people must come together and extinguish the fire of disunity and disparity, envy and hatred among ourselves. The development of Yoruba must paramount to all Yoruba sons and daughters of Oodua in spite of their political affiliation. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu is a blessing to us. The Yoruba race is very proud to have been blessed with such an amazing son who has grown to become a leader of leaders. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu is different things to different people. To some, he is either a benefactor, a father, a political leader, or a mentor. But to us, he is a source of motivation and inspiration. Asiwaju always inspire us to think beyond ourselves, to think of people around the world as part of a common humanity. We are blessed by his leadership. We love him for what he has accomplished in life and what he is still planning to achieve for humanity. With his legendary charm and steadfast allegiance to his principle, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu has become an iconic figure who inspire both youth and elders the Odo Afenifere Yoruba will continue to support those who desire the unity and welfare of our people. We hereby commend all the leaders who stand for the unity of our race. It is our own candid opinion that Asiwaju Bola Tinubu is capable of holding the mantles of leadership as the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We urge our people to unite behind his aspiration to lead the country. Asiwaju has the required capacity and intellect to take over country out of the road. Thanks, Comrade Lekan Owolabi, the Olori Odo Afenifere Yoruba. Thanks so much.